Hi students, hope you are all fine. Today we can see the distributive property. Any three sets A, B, C, you have two properties. One is distributive property of intersection over union. Second one, distributive property of union over intersection. See the first one, A intersection B union C. Intersection over union. A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Try to understand and learn these properties. A union B intersection C. Therefore, distributive property of union over intersection. A union B intersection A union C. Now see the example 1.21. If capital A is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, capital B is equal to x such that x is a prime number and x less than 11, and capital C is equal to x such that x belongs to capital N, and 5 less than or equal to x less than 9, then verify A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Solution, first write the given set. Capital A is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Capital B is given in the descriptive form. You must change it into roster form. Capital B is equal to x such that x is a prime number and x less than 11. What is the meaning for the prime number? The number divisible by 1 and itself. You must start from the prime number and ends with x less than 11. 2, 3, 5, 7, next 11, but 11 is not included because less than 11. Therefore, 2, 3, 5, 7. Then set C is x such that x belongs to capital N and 5 less than or equal to x less than 9. Natural number starts from 1. Here given 5 less than or equal to x. Therefore, start from 5. 6, 7, 8. Less than 9 means up to 8. Natural number starts from 1. Here given you must start from 5 less than 9. Therefore, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, to verify A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. First take the left hand side. Left hand side A union B intersection C. First find the B intersection C. 2, 3, 5, 7 intersection 5, 6, 7, 8. Write the common elements. 2 is not present, 3 is not present, 5 and 7. Therefore, the elements are 5 and 7. Now find the A union B intersection C. A union B intersection C is equal to what is the meaning for union? Write all the elements. Therefore, 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now left side over, therefore take it as equation 1. Right hand side A union B intersection A union C. First find the A union B. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 union 2, 3, 5, 7. Write all the elements 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next A union C. Say the answer 0, 2, 4, 6, 5, next 6, 7, 8. Now find the intersection of A union B and A union C. 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 intersection 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Common elements are 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it as equation 2. Now see the equation first and second. 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both the elements are equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we get A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Verify A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Using Venn diagram. For 3 sets, always you must draw the circle like this. Venn diagram for 3 sets, you must draw always like this. If you have a universal set, you must put the rectangle box above this. Okay. Once again, for 3 sets, always you must draw the Venn diagram like this. First one, set A, second, set B, third one, set C. If you have a universal set, then only you must draw the rectangle box outer of this. Now, see the question. Verify A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. First, write to verify A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C using Venn diagram. See, for the left side, you draw 2 diagrams, okay, left hand side. That is A intersection B union C. For the left hand side, you draw 2 diagrams. One is for only B union C. Next only, you must find the left hand side, A intersection B union C. For the circle, about A, B, C. What is the meaning for B union C? See the circle B, see the circle C, shade all the portion. Okay, using the scale and pencil, shade all the portions of B and C. B union C means the whole portion of B and C. Now, A intersection B union C. See the diagram here. B union C intersection A. Okay, B union C intersection A. See the circle A. Now, A and B union C, this two portions only common. Did you understand? This is the circle of A. You must find the intersection of A and B union C. B union C is here. See the circle A. This is the common portion. Here you have A and B union C. A and B union C. A and B union C. Therefore, you must shade the portion 1, 2, 3. Take this as equation 1. Now, find the right hand side. See the right hand side. Right hand side is A intersection B union A intersection C. For this, you must draw 3 diagrams. First one is A intersection B. Second one for A intersection C. Third one, A intersection B union A intersection C. Once again, for the right hand side, you must draw 3 diagrams. First one, A intersection B. Second one, A intersection C. Third one, A intersection B union A intersection C. A, B, C. What is the meaning for A intersection B? You must shade the common portion of A and B. See the circle A. See the circle B. See the portion here only A. Here A and B. Here A and B. Here only A. Here only B. Okay. Therefore, the common portion of A and B is only this 2 part. Therefore, shade this 2. Now, second, A intersection C. See the circle A. See the circle C. The common portion is here. Here you have A and C. Here you have A and C. Shade this. Now, you ready to find the union of this 2. Okay. Below this diagram, union of A intersection B and A intersection C. First circle is A, second always B, this one C. Now, what is the meaning for union? You must shade all the portion, okay. See the diagram here. Here you have shaded, therefore here you must shade. Then here shaded, you must shade. See this here shaded and here, okay. Union means shade all the portions in A and B and A and C. Therefore, the portions are here, here and here. That is, shade the union of A intersection B and A intersection C. Now take this as equation 2. Now see the first equation, that is, see the portion. See the second equation. Okay, from 1 and 2, A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C is verified. Next one, De Morgan's law. You have 2 De Morgan's laws. One is for set difference, another one for complementation. First one, De Morgan's laws for set difference. For any 3 sets, you have 2 laws, okay. For any 3 sets, A, B, C, A difference B union C is equal to A difference B, union is changed into intersection A difference C. Once again, now itself learn students. A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Second one, A difference B intersection C. First one B union C, second one B intersection C is equal to A difference B, change the intersection here in the right side, union A difference C. Once again, A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. Next, De Morgan's laws for complementation. For complementation, you must take the universal set. Let capital U be the universal set containing finite sets A and B. Then, first one, A union B the whole dash, A union B the whole complement is equal to A dash intersection B dash. A complement intersection B complement. Once again, A union B the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Otherwise, A union B the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Second one, A intersection B the whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. See here in the De Morgan's law, left side if you have union, right side you have intersection. Left side if you have intersection, the right side if you have union. For complementation also, left side you have a union and whole dash. Here separated A dash intersection B dash. Here intersection and whole dash. Here separated, that is A dash union B. Anyway, you must know, you must learn these laws. Verify A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Using Venn diagram, you must verify this De Morgan's law. Already I informed you, for any three sets, you must draw the diagram, Venn diagram like this. Okay. First circle for capital A, second for capital B, third one is capital C. Now, first write to verify A minus B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C using Venn diagrams. For this, first take the left hand side. For the left hand side, you must draw two diagrams. Then do the right hand side. For this, you draw three diagrams. First A difference B, second A difference C, then find the intersection. Okay. Then left hand side, that is A difference B union C. For the first diagram, you must shade the portion B union C because B union C is inside the bracket. What is the meaning for B union C? You must take the circle B and C, the whole portion of B and C. Draw. Now, do the left hand side. A difference B union C. Already I told you A difference B union C means for the elements, leave the common elements, then write the remaining elements from the first set. Okay. Now compare A and the first diagram. A difference, B minus union C. Okay. From the A, you must subtract B union C. Then what are the portions you have? Can you guess? Once again, A difference B union C. A minus B union C. You must take the remaining places. A minus, now see the diagram, B union C. Therefore, from the A, you leave this portion. Therefore, only this portion you must shade. Okay, A difference B means from the A you subtract B union C. From the A you subtract this diagram. Therefore, the remaining portion is only A. Now, take this as equation 1 because left side over. Now, do the right side. For the right side, you must draw 3 diagrams. One for A difference B, another one for A difference C. Next, you have to find the intersection of these two. Right hand side, that is A difference B, intersection A difference C. First diagram for A difference B. Second diagram for A difference C. Third diagram for the right side, that is A difference B intersection A difference C. Okay, A difference B means subtract B from A. Subtract B from A. See the circle A. From this A circle, subtract B. Okay, therefore the remaining portion is only this two portion. Students, did you understand this? Once again, A difference B means, see the circle A. From the A circle, leave the B circle. Therefore, only this. Now, A difference C. See the A circle. From the A circle, leave the C. Therefore, this two. Now, for the third, that is A difference B intersection A difference C. For this, see the diagram A difference B and A difference C. Intersection portion. Okay. Now see here, this is the first portion. See, only A up to this. Here also only A. Therefore, this portion is common. Next, here you have the intersection of A and B. The portion is A and B, but here not present. Now see this A and C. The portion for this is A and C. But here not. Therefore, only this portion, that is only A is the answer. Only A is the answer. Now take this as equation 2. From 1 and 2, see the diagram, both are equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2, A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Hence, it is verified. Students, one more thing. If you have a doubt in this Venn diagram, you must understand this portion, that is first circle for A, second for B, third circle is C. See, this is the portion belongs to A circle, B circle and C circle. Therefore, A, B, C, A intersection, B intersection, C. This is the portion common for circle A, circle B and circle C also. Okay. Therefore, here A, B, C. Now, see this portion. This is, see, circle A is also present, circle B is also present. Therefore, this portion is for A and B. Now, see this portion. B circle also and A circle also. Therefore, this is the portion belongs to B and C. Now, see this small portion here also you have, that is circle A and circle C. Therefore, this is for A comma C. Once again, the center portion, the circle A is also present, B is also present, C is also present. Therefore, this portion belongs to A, B, C. Then, here you have a portion that is A and B. Here you have a portion A and C. Here B and C. Now this is the portion for only A. This is the portion only for B. This is the portion only for C. How many portions in this Venn diagram for 3 sets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, in the Venn diagram for 3 sets you have 7 portions. Think that and shade this. Okay.